Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of a tutorial type video on the makeup look that I do pretty much every single day. So I like to start off with this face serum by Fresh. I just like this because it soaks into my skin really nicely and doesn't leave it feeling greasy or anything like that. Next I'm taking this Photo Finish primer by Smashbox. You can pretty much use any single primer. This is just the one I like. I'm not too picky. Next, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation and mixing it with this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm pretty much just doing this to get my shade right, and I'm going to be mixing them on the back of my hand. Then I pretty much just apply this all over my face with my fingers and just blend it in with my beauty blender. There's nothing too strategic about this method. Now I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer and taking 2 shades of this underneath my eyes and pretty much anywhere else that I have redness or pimples or whatever. To be honest, I don't love this concealer, but it's just the one that I have right now. So yeah, just use whatever concealer that you like. And yeah, once again, I'm just blending it all in with my beauty blender. So now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just pressing this underneath my eyes, once again using my beauty blender. I don't let this sit here and bake. I just press it in until I can't see it anymore, and this sets it really nice. Now I'm just gonna bronze / contour with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I like to put this directly on my cheekbones rather than in the hollows. It's just the look I prefer, and I also put this all over my entire forehead, pretty much all over my face to pretend I'm tanned. Now I'm taking my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I love this blush because it's shimmery, and yeah, it makes me look less dead. And once again, I just put this all over my entire face because I fucking love blush, and I just feel like it makes me look all like sun-kissed and shit. Now I'm gonna highlight my face using this Anastasia highlight. I don't know what the shade of this is called, but I really like this one. It doesn't leave a weird white cast on my face, and I'm just using this highlighter brush I got at Sephora and putting it at the top of my cheekbones and on my temple and under my eyebrow. So now I'm just taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. I pretty much just, redefine the shape underneath in the arch and just fill in anywhere that might be sparse. And I just like continuously brush them out so that they don't look too crazy. Now that I'm done filling them in, I'm just going in with this clear brow gel. This is just the Sephora brand one. You can use any brow gel that you like. But yeah, I'm just pretty much brushing them up to make them set in place for the day and kind of like look a little bit bushier. Now I'm taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm going to be using this as an eyeshadow and just like grabbing a giant fluffy brush and putting this in the creases of my eye. I'm not too precise with this. I kind of just do it really quickly just to get some color and shape in my eye. So now I'm going to line my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. I like to wing my eyeliner out pretty thick every single day. I just like the way it looks. And I do this by taking a line and extending it out from the corner of my eye, and from the tip of that line I just drag it back down to the center of my lash line and pretty much just fill that in. So now I'm just going to be putting mascara on my top eyelashes with this Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I don't usually use false eyelashes, so I put a couple hefty coats of this on, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm taking my Subculture lip pencil by MAC. This is pretty much like my go-to lip liner pencil, and I'm going to be taking this and following my general lip shape but overlining a little bit. Yeah, I just like to make my lips look bigger than they are. Now I'm going in with my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. I believe this is like my go-to shade. I literally wear this every single day. And yeah, once again, I go over my lip line a little bit and just make sure I'm covering my entire lip. Sometimes I'll also go in with like a lighter cream lipstick and put this in the center. Depends how I'm feeling, but today I did not. So now I'm just taking my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray. And yeah, that is it, you guys. This is my completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.